I guess so.
How's this smell? You want to taste it?
Her first cereal rice stuff.
Can you see that?
Yeah.
Put it in your mouth.
She doesn't know what to think.
Is it icky? You want some more? You want it all? Here, put it in your mouth. No? I knew I made too much. Honey, eat it. Eat it. Here, put that in your... You don't like it?
Well, Audrina, I was going to ask you what you think, but I think that face says it all. Oh, this is going on Facebook.
Tastes like...
Oh, did you just eat that?
I had to try what she tries. She tried it first.
First formula? Got this? Just wait till we get the real baby food.
That better be better than this. I'm not gonna lie to you. You wanna try it? Here. I don't know how to do this. Really want you to put them in my mouth again.
Let me go back to sleep.
Wee! I bet it would work better if she was awake a little. Oh, is it bad?
Okay.
Very bad. That was the funniest face you've ever made. Funnier than an elevator.
I don't know, that elevator's pretty funny.
I don't know. That looks pretty funny. You want to see? Are you awake yet? Maybe I should have waited until you were more awake. Do you want us to walk? The swing instead of an airplane. She's not even reaching.
Get me out of here.
Oh, you want it? You're pushing it away? I don't know what's happening. Yes? No? Can't think about it? She's like, is that my bottle over there? Can I have that? That's my face.
And with that face, and we're out.